degree on the recent past. When the glass gets shattered and splinters scattered and somebody's child is lost, it doesn't matter what the windows cast, everyone's still bear last. If you live in a glass house, don't throw stone unless you dodge in every stone man cast. Because evil is on full blast. When our beliefs contrast, like race and religion and class. I know I take notes in a class. Every man right, no man wrong. Somebody please press pause. Peace. Yeah. How you feeling? We are drive and puff. Him jealous how we so shine and buff. And him jealous how we so shine and from him looking at the car and now the interior plush. And look up on the rims how them pull out and flush. And I scope out with jewels and I wonder how much. And him jealous cause them their price can't touch. Can I see some hands up please? Boy! Him is a royal and I do choke their eyes and bust. And I'm here extra last as muffin. in your respect, no. Yes, true to royal, your bank book buff. Always stick together even when time tough. How which boy go by the take a shine and good job. Now one artist trying here. Go ahead, girl. Say, now right about now, I would like to bring on the stage I Bridget, I drink, the man called Mr. Richie Spice, y'all.
One more little piece. Yeah, long life is your Mersa. It's a pleasure being here this evening, you know. Good vibes amongst good people. Every time they find a burning marijuana by the fire. Sometimes I bake it. Don't give it to someone from Reggae and him sisters who use it. Oh, John. It's the king of the forest, but they don't like it. They chop it up, they eat it up, and then they destroy it. Then I check with this and then they stick you up, they lock you up, they take it from the brain. Wow. Then we see it in the nation, they can have a law. Watch them places they're walking by, they're playing time. Watch out for them vampires who will sleep up till they're gone. Watch out for them big time thief who claim say that they're smart. Bring in the crack and the gun for the rest of the youths them hard. Watch them you wanna do, they wanna do. You're our next youth.
Come with young places, you know what's going on. Now winds come. Now winds come, the man called. The man of the poor still advice, you know. The man called Mr. Romain Virgo, yo!
Alright, I wanna lay you down, make sure Mersa, let me just scream for Joe Mersa. Now I'm gonna sing a song for you. Do you know this one? Sing it now. And I know that I am rich and no financially I'm a papa. It's just you that I'm after. Love you!
Do give a thanks, do give a thanks. Give it up to the man called Mr. Romain Virgo, yeah! What a thing, what a thing. What a thing, what a thing, what a thing. What a thing. Please, welcome on stage, Warrior King! Rastafari. Yeah, 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 yeah. We're going around congregation. Why? Joe Mersa, a bird pagan, so I never go to pagans go. Never do what the heathens do. That's come and give up the guidance. Never say what they got it to say. The chorus is I see I just and obey. That's the words of your substance. I never go to pagans go. Never do what the heathens do. Cause Rastafari give it the guidance. Never say what the wicked heart say. Neither will I walk in the council all day. Hey, and the eyes we no God. So, well, shuba shuba, shuba shuba day, shuba shuba, shuba 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 day, shuba shuba, shuba shuba day. Yeah. Now the real man can live without. Like night and day is a moment. Sees attention to his purpose and his mission. Voodoo man is a she never tell the power, she just make him a better man. Every great man has a virtuous woman. Woman, you say you love me. You never leave me. Always be there for me. Salina. Sure. Woman to keep my strong for this part of job. I love you, thank you. Yeah, that's it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage. I'm Press, Sister Carolina. I'm blessed. Rastafari. Put up your one if you are Rasta man. Put up your one if you are Rasta woman. Put up your one if you the champion. Of the subject of the mental ledger, rise and wicked scatter falling in the den and get the evil spread the cause of the power of God with the liver and baptize it in the water you can do it. We did kill them with the want and them say that they no matter. Give me a lot chance and them say that they no penny. Shatter off his scatter when they pop up on the roster. Burn some and power and go bring them disaster. How them a go up it when the rasta mama bunny make you blaze the fire higher make the Babylon a bomb it. Put up your man if you are rasta man. Put up your massive. A long time when I don't see him, no hear me. They are the oldest woman DJ, but they can't go around me. Sister Carola the mama. Sister Carola the mama. Mama. If I smoke up, me no stagger. They have the lyrics, them wagga. Me no use no grabber. I need pies in a kuwa dada. And that's when the mystery to my story is nothing you're inflated. I may be underrated, but my status is updated. In this big DJ film, my style is never yet gated. I pay my dues, I join the line and patiently awaited. My regal to Ross and